My name's Trace Ensign. I'm from Sumner and I'm in the welding program here at Hawkeye. Originally I was in the psychology program but switched after a couple semesters, and welding was my option that I thought was going to be more fun. Every project we do I can see if I'm getting better or not, and then I can quickly learn from my mistakes if I need to do something different. If you just give it enough time and listen and pay attention to what your professor's saying, you should be able to pick it up pretty easily. Jeff's a cool guy. He's down to earth. He understands with being a working college student that some days it's a little tougher, but he's willing to work with you if you're willing to put the work in for the class, come into school, be attentive in the classroom and listening and seeing how he's showing how to do a project and being able to take that and learn from it and do it yourself. Don't be afraid to try new things. Like, if you're on the fence of welding and it scares you, don't be afraid to join. The professors and your classmates will always help you and keep you going. I was successful in my program. I'll be the first in my family to graduate, and then just be able to move on and continue, get a good working job and make some good money for my life and be successful.